Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go and get into our energy. Let's take a look. Gratitude for all the likes, comments, shares. Greetings to those that are new. If any of the readings resonate, go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment, subscribe, phone a friend to that phone a friend. Let's see what y'all got going on though. What's happening? What's going on? What's going on with the collective? Jack of all trades is out here, y'all. There's a jack of all trades, player from the Himalaya. That's what they're saying. This person is a player from the Himalayas. Okay, let's say with this jack of all trades, because it look like this man is like a ladies' man. He got two women looking at him, all up on him. Mm-hmm. Gotta be careful with somebody like that. And like whoever this person is, it might be somebody that work on cars or something. I don't know what they over there doing. A juggler. They juggling. Someone who has multiple partners and lovers. Player energy. Just as I thought. Spirit said this is a juggler, so I don't know. Could you be entertaining a juggler? Could you be a juggler? Okay. Somebody who have multiple partners and lovers. Mr. Lover. Mr. Bombastic. Telephone plastic. That's what I heard. Mr. Lover. Mr. Lover. What about Jack of all trades? What happened? Jack of all trades. Hmm. It seems like there's some sort of contract here. Possibly some sort of commitment. But I'm also seeing that there's an energy of deception. Okay, so you guys might not even be like married. This could be somebody twin, y'all. This is somebody twin. Even if you are possibly married or something, because I'm definitely seeing like there is some sort of contract or some sort of commitment here, whether in the physical or in the spirit. Okay, and it seems like this person is very, I'm seeing energy of very deceptive or easily tempted, okay, easy on the eyes or something like that. And this energy is coming out as your twin, you guys. Whether masculine or feminine energy, place it whatever way it needs to be placed. One more for this jack of all trade. I'm also seeing an energy of lack, suffering, sadness. Hmm. There's an energy of somebody, there's energy of emotion. A lot of emotion, because if you take, let's take a look at this card, the water, the body of water in the back. It speaks on emotion, and also with this card, there's the energy of water right here as well. Somebody could possibly have water in their chart, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But I'm definitely saying until death, with this until death do us part, it seems like this is like some sort of karmic events or something about karma or karmic. Okay, like some or having karmic debt, because you know Saturn is over here. I'm seeing Saturn on this card. Okay, so it lets me know that there is some sort of law and order, justice or balance will be made to a situation. Whether somebody likes it or not, I don't know if it's gonna whether it goes in the way you want it to go or not, balance will be restored. Okay, because somebody possibly made a commitment or said that they were going to be commit to someone, and they doing they're not doing right. Let's go ahead and say that. Let's go ahead and clarify this jack of all trades. What else we need to know? Jack of all trades. I'm seeing the energy of no here. It's a red. It's red. It's red. So I'm seeing an energy of no. I don't know why this feel like somebody is yelling and screaming. Like this is over here with the area with until debt terrors part. You know the Saturn energy with the jack of all trades, deception and the temptation. This person possibly was getting like red lights, like oh, no. Possibly a lot of events was happening around whoever this person is while they were still entertaining other people, and the spirits was like absolutely not. This person is talking about they need time for themselves. They feel like they could supposed to be entertaining you and other people. Number four out here the whole time. They don't know who the hell you are. Hmm. I need time for me. Like they didn't even have to entertain you. That's my thing. Okay. In the end, I feel like this person is definitely going to be in this energy of lack and suffering. I feel like all of this is definitely going to change. I feel like This is almost like I feel like somebody could possibly be going through this now or will be going through this, okay? Because in the future, I'm seeing past, lack, suffering, twin flame. Clarify this jack of all trade. Clarify this jack of all trade. So a masculine, I'm seeing two women. So if it was a feminine energy, it might be two masculine energy. It could be a number of four. Because I keep seeing it the number four. So four might be definitely significant as well. Something about the number four. So it could be like three, I'm a feminine and three masculine, or masculine and three other feminine energies or something like that. And I'm seeing like the most highs out here. I'm definitely seeing an energy of someone going through, like, experiencing feeling left out in the cold. Possibly will be going. I'm seeing an energy of hardship, you guys, experiencing a lot of negative impact, possibly financially. Somebody could be going through money problems because of the energy that they're putting out and how they're treating other people. A water sign, like I stated, could definitely be significant, strong Pisces, or could be Scorpio, Cancer. But it's definitely coming out at masculine energy, whether it is a masculine or not. Okay, so it could be a feminine or her masculine energy. All right. Clarify this jack of all trades. What do we need to know? What else we need to know regarding this jack of all trade? Somebody walking away. There's an energy of moving on, abandoning some sort of plans. Wait a minute, a jack of all trade. I feel like this is an energy of the Most High turning his back on this person, you know, because of their deeds. Yeah, because I'm seeing this person experiencing some sort of hardship. Clarifying this hardship is the Three of Cups due to some sort of, a three situation. Okay. Clarifying this King of Cups energy is the Nine of Swords. There's an energy of fear. I'm seeing someone experiencing some sort of negative impact. Um, I'm seeing experiencing some sort of deep unhappiness. There's energy of stress. It's almost like experiencing some sort of regret, remorse, anxiety. Okay, one minute. Reaching some sort of breaker point. There's energy of regret, y'all. I see you, spirit leveling you up, putting you in this energy of like control or triumph. There's energy of victory or putting you in the energy of some sort of success. That's what I'm seeing here. And this person try to reach back out to you with this Page of Cups. Like something in their intuition had them reach out to you to try to make things right with you or see how you doing. But I'm seeing this person being left behind. There's an energy of sadness, loss, despair. This is an energy of them feeling abandoned, the same way they made you feel at one point in time. And then it's like this person might even need some help or something like that. But I am seeing there's an energy of an unwelcome change here as you continue to move forward with the Six of Wands. This is almost like an energy of what goes around comes back around. When the time I needed you, you weren't there for me, and now this is going to be a time. This is how spirit doing it for someone now that they need you. Now that they need some sort of assistance and coming to you, and it's like spirit is like having you continue on with your life. Continue on with your life, because I am definitely seeing energy you having the advantage. All right, some of you guys might even be obtaining or receiving some sort of recognition as well. All right, let me grab these. Oh, that was too many. Yeah, that was definitely too many, and it came out in reverse. Okay, I'm gonna take it in reverse. As you continue to move forward, I'm gonna take it the way that I see it. Yeah, I'm seeing as you continue to move forward, I see this person admitting some sort of defeat. It's almost like energy of them feeling vulnerable. At one point in time, they possibly was very defensive and having their guards up to you. Possibly felt like they needed to stand there and ground with you. And now there's an energy of them approaching you in this energy of feeling vulnerable, overwhelmed. They may even be going through health problems. I'm seeing this person being very arrogant, making promises, especially in regards to business ventures and things like that. Wanting to move. This is also talking about failure to some sort of ventures that they were thought that was going to play out in their favor. It looks like this person did not have. I'm seeing them having a lack of insight, foresight, lack of planning. I feel like this person might be someone that um moved impulsively and them in this situation of lack of success, or in a situation that they feel like they can't get out of, because I'm seeing the world in the reverse. It's like it's an energy of stagnation, a lack of achievement, and them experiencing the disappointment and burdens. Okay, is what I'm seeing here. Okay, and it's like you guys are coming out as the magicians. It seems like you had all the resources internally, externally. It seems like your ancestors, your spirit guides, the universe, the Most High, even. It's like everything with the odds was working in your favor. And just as they were, this person turned their back. It seems like the Most High turned their back on this person. And so that's why they're in the situation that they were in, or they are in, or getting ready to be in. Place whatever way it needs to be placed. I am seeing an energy of them being stuck. There's an energy of you ever heard somebody say they feel like they stuck between a rock and a hard place? Yeah, this is what the Most High is about to make someone feel like they stuck between a rock and a hard place. I'm seeing a lot of like anxiety, experiencing dilemma after dilemma after dilemma, feeling like their hands are tied. Is what I'm seeing here. This is like an energy of someone. It's like you did too much. It's like a one they cake and eat it too, and not only, and then they don't realize because the spirits and the energies that they were entertaining, they were bringing them back to you. And the energies and the spirits that they were bringing back to you was creating stagnancy, and for you in life it was creating chaos and havoc for you, is what I'm saying here. And I see them trying to reach out, you know want to be friends or something. They extended some sort of cup, towards you, and you like, absolutely not. I'm good off that. You already know the type of energy they coming off. This person is self-absorbed. They are definitely experiencing some sort of depression. This person is very unhappy on the inside, whatever, regardless of what they try to say or what they try to show. But that's what I'm seeing here. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.